So yeah, so as I was saying that it's a very simple recipe, dalchini murg hara matar. So as you have seen that, let me take you through some ingredient which is very basics, like you have sliced onion, then chilies, fresh chilies, then green peas. Here I am using green peas paste. As the name says that hara matar masala, so you must have seen there are recipe which includes whole green peas, but here I am using green peas paste which is pre-boiled. Then beaten yogurt, then ginger garlic paste, cinnamon powder, and then few dry spices like garam masala. This is up to you whether you want to add or not. Then you have dhania powder, then cumin powder, then black pepper powder and salt. So let's start the recipe with chicken. So let me tell you, I'll answer all your queries after the recipe is finished, so that in between the recipe it should not be interrupted. So let's start. So I have taken half a kilo chicken curry cut, which I have ordered this morning. Luckily, like lockdown is little bit less, so I can order a lot of things. So let me add yogurt first. For the recipe, I will give you towards the end. Then ginger garlic paste. Salt, then obviously coriander powder, then cumin powder, black pepper powder. This is up to you if you want to add black pepper or not, because this will lead to a little spicy. And obviously, lastly I am adding cinnamon powder. It will give you a little sweet taste and a bit of oil. Now I am going to marinate the chicken. So now the marination is done. Generally you do the marination at least 1 hour before, but because of time constraint I am adding right now. Yeah, and also to show you how to marinate the chicken. Now the second step is we want to make the gravy. Obviously for that we need oil. So first thing we going to add in the oil is sliced onion. It will take little bit of time to brown the onion, and you can replicate this recipe. You can use egg also instead of chicken. Some chilies. See, I like little spicy, so I'm adding a little bit more chilies. Now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste here also. I have added a little bit in the chicken and a bit here. Now I'm going to add chili in it. If you don't make the onion brown, then the taste would be not good. And after this we're going to saute the chicken, and then we're going to add towards the end your green peas paste. So now the onion is a little bit golden brown. We're going to add chicken in it. Now we'll cover the chicken for some time. You know, some people don't like chicken cinnamon also, but here I'm using little bit of cinnamon so that it gives a good taste, and that's why I'm going to add little bit of garam masala. I'm going to cover the chicken for another 10 minutes. So chili you can add as per your liking. Then obviously garam masala is optional, and green pea you can remove the green peas and add corn paste also, or chickpea paste also. So I think our chicken is pretty much done. Now I'm going to add green pea. And chicken is already cooked, so I'm going to leave it for some maybe 10 minutes so that the chicken is properly cooked and the green pea is also mixed. Now the chicken is cooked, green pea is also cooked. As it is already cooked, in the meantime what I'll do something for garnish. Now the chicken is almost done, so I'm going to dish out the chicken. Little bit of sliced tomato just for garnish, and little bit of cinnamon. So here you have dalchini murg and hara matar masala. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe.